gadgets that simplifies your life, for accessories that enhances your devices. We've created a list that is as practical as it is pocket-friendly. A keyboard for multiple devices, a tracker for your belongings, a faster transfer experience, affordable entertainment, an on-the-go backup, and a device that literally turns the old house into a smart one, all without breaking the bank. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Or if you're new here, I am Byteburaq, and today we've got something special lined up for you. 6 incredible tech finds under $50. Yes, you heard it right. Yes, from the cheapest to the cheap. And that's a must. First up, we have the Logitech K380 Pebble multi-device Bluetooth keyboard. A pretty long name, I say, but that is not the same for the size. If you're like me, juggling between devices can be a bit of a hassle. But here is a game changer. Compact, versatile, portable, and seamless connectivity across multiple devices. It is also perfect for those who are always on the go, or just you might want a clutter-free desk. The K380 has a compact and sleek design, with a weight of about 439 grams, and is just 28 centimeters wide. In contrast to the traditional keyboard, it has round keys and with the comfortable rounded edges with a matte finish. This makes this design elegant. Available in different colors: off-white, rose, black, blueberry, etc. It requires no complicated setup as it connects via Bluetooth 3.0, enabling easy transfer from laptop to tablet to phone, though it doesn't have a USB Type-C for connecting to the desktop, but you can enjoy this by using a Bluetooth Delco device connected to your PC. The left side of the keyboard has a switch for turning the device on and off. Its size makes it portable and suitable for on-the-go productivity. It runs 2 AAA batteries, which can last up to 2 years. It features a scissors key switch similar to the Apple Magic Keyboard. By now pressing the F1 to F3 button, you can switch seamlessly between different devices very fast. It is one of the best-selling keyboards from Logitech since its release in 2015, and it's just priced at $39. Moving on to this tiny thing, raise your hands if you've ever spent way too much time searching for your keys, and even that TV remote under the sofa. Yeah, we've all been there. But fear not, this little device here is here to save the day. Never lose your precious things again. It's like having a little helper with your things. Simply attach it to your kid's toy, backpacks, wallet, keys, your luggage at the airport, and even around your precious pet. The list goes on. It's lightweight and with a thickness of 7.1 milliliter, you won't even know you're holding a thing. It is a rounded-edged square with a tactile button experience on which the tile logo is imprinted on. It comes in a variety of 9 different options, giving it a lot of options to pick from. Therefore, you can use this tile app on your phone to locate it, and even use TileMates to locate your phone. Yeah, I'm pretty serious here now. So, which will cause your phone to ring when it's on silent by pressing the tactile button. And you can find your things attached to the TileMate from about 250 feet away. And it also has a very high loudspeaker with the sound output of about 105 decibel, allowing for faster location. It is an IP67 water resistant, meaning that you won't need to worry about it getting into the water. Maybe that's the reason why the battery is not replaceable, but you are guaranteed a 3-year battery warranty. Other tile users can help you find your lost items, which you attach your TileMate to by scanning the QR code at the back and contacting the owner. Tile has about 40 million user base as of 2021, and this ensures a very fast recovery rate of lost items. All these and more for just $25. That's just a wow. Meet PowerCore 10,000, your charging on-the-go companion. Small in size but mighty in power, It's perfect for those moments when your phone is gasping for breath. Let's uncover why this power bank is such a game changer. It has a compact and portable design with a capacity of 10,000 mAh. As the name suggests, this power bank can charge most phones up to 3 times at the fast rate before needing a refill. Technologies like Power IQ and Voltage Boost have enabled efficient power management. The Power IQ instantly identifies any connected device and adjusts the voltage for optimized charging speed. Meanwhile, Voltage Boost reduces cable resistance by smoothing output voltage. At the rate of $29, you can get this. It comes with a micro USB cable, a welcome guide, and a warranty. Whether you are camping, traveling, or just out and about, this is a must-have for you to stay connected. We've covered some seriously cool tech finds so far, but hold tight because we've got more in store. A quick reminder, if you are enjoying this video, don't forget to show some love with the like button and hit subscribe if you want to join our tech-loving community. Now, let's roll into the next part. Let's talk about storage solutions. Need to transfer large files? Yeah, this is the solution. High-speed data transfer, portability, durability, and ample storage makes this a must-have for students and professionals on the go, for documents, photos, and more. It has a tight metal casing, gapless design, which makes it tough, durable, and not prone to dust. The metal casing helps dissipate heat away from the flash drive chip, making it more durable. It offers a password protection for your files and has a variety of storage options up to 256 GB. It is extremely fast for transferring files as it has about 60 MB per second write speed and a read speed of about 150 MB per second. Wow! You can send files from this flash drive to your computer in a matter of seconds on the USB 3.0 port. Only for $12 for the 16 GB version, it is a great way to store and transfer your important files without spending a lot of money. I know flash drives are a bit outdated, provided the availability of cloud storage nowadays, but here are some things you didn't know a flash drive could do. A flash drive can help you go incognito, serve as a backup for your computer, portable apps, your travel document or other important documents encrypted, or even you can donate for charity. Now, let's talk about turning your ordinary TV into a smart powerhouse. Amazon Fire TV Stick, unlocking a world of streaming possibilities. It's like having a cinema at your fingertip, without breaking the bank. It comes in an orange rectangular box. Included in it is the Fire Stick, Alexa voice remote control, USB cable, HDMI extender cable, USB power brick, and 2 AAA batteries. Comes with everything you need to get the device started, but not without internet connection and a TV, of course. To connect to your TV, simply plug the Fire Stick into the HDMI extender cable, and also plug the micro USB into the power brick and the Fire Stick as well. Plug the HDMI to your TV and power the stick by plugging the power brick into the power source. With this, you can access your favorite streaming platforms like Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video, as well as thousands of apps and games, and at only $29. With Alexa voice control, making it smarter, you can view camera feeds, check the weather, and order a pizza. Yeah, can even order your favorite meal. The Fire Stick can do so much more, like playing games, screen mirroring, enjoying third-party apps, connecting to a Bluetooth headphone, while you do not want to disturb the whole house and still you yourself getting entertained. Even if you're turning your own home smart, this affordable smart plug is just over 25 bucks. Think about being able to turn off the lamp in your house with your phone or voice, even when you're away from home. You can even use it with a humidifier, coffee maker, or any other gadget you have at all. and schedule and automate things based on the weather. This smart upgrade that turns your ordinary devices into smart ones. It comes in a small brown box. This little plug looks like a wow emoji and has a power button by the side and an LED light around the edge. It has features like timer, which allows you to switch on or off your smart plug at specific time, set schedules to turn on or off your smart plug automatically, which helps save energy and automate daily tasks. Away mode turns on or off the smart plug at random intervals to pretend as if you're home. It allows you to check runtime and power usage to determine what makes the power bill go up by the end of the month. It can be integrated with other smart home gadgets, allowing users to control it via the Kasa Smart app, which is user-friendly, or voice commands through Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. It has a compact and solid design that doesn't block adjacent outlets, allowing users to stack too many plugs in one outlet. Good for energy monitoring by providing real-time data for connected devices. It is secure, easy to set up, and yet affordable. As we conclude our list of 6 affordable tech gadgets that can simplify your life, I hope you have discovered some valuable additions for your collection. If you did, let me know in the comment section and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech content like this. Thanks for watching. Adios, salam, bye bye.